Hey friends, this is Nirmal from nirmaltv.com, and today we are going to review one of the wireless chargers from Brando. It's called Wireless Charging Pad, and it's compatible with Lumia 920, Nexus 4 and a few other smartphones which comes with wireless charging built in. So typically this wireless charging is not a mainstream feature, although it's just an emerging feature, and it's not available in most smartphones, and it's currently limited only to high-end smartphones. So this one is Brando's wireless charger is probably one of the cheapest available wireless chargers available as of today, since most of the wireless chargers available from Nokia, like the Fat Boy charger, Flatbed charger, all are pretty costly, but this one is one of the cheapest one available. So let's see how it performs, and also check out how the build quality is. So basically this is a flatbed charger which has a nice the typical design, and it has a matte finish on the top surface, the charging area, and at the back you have a glossy finish to it. So here you have the wireless charger specs, and this is a Chinese made product. So here you have the power code, and there are few indicator lights available here that we'll see it once you charge the phone. So that's all. The quality is pretty decent, not very top notch. It's not a top notch product, but still it isn't that bad when you consider it's made of plastics. So it's a decent wireless charger. The build quality is pretty decent, and once you have put the charging cable, you can start the charging. Now the good thing is that you have a USB cable at the end of this charging power cord, so that you can pin it to your USB batteries, the external batteries. So you may not have the normal power cord power cable to charge the phones. So now let's test with Nokia Lumia 920. Let's one second, let's switch on this battery. And the battery is switched on. You can see once the battery is switched, once the power is available, you can see the red light going here. Now let's place this on. You can see phone charging, and when the phone is charging, the green light will constantly be in glowing state. Now if one of the important things about this charger is the placement. The cables, the wireless coils are available at the center portion, so you cannot place it in any manner to charge it. You have to place it in the proper manner. Say if I'm placing it this way, see, wireless charging is not working out since the green light is not glowing. But now when you place it here, the green light starts glowing. Now once the charging is complete, this green light will change to blue color, indicating that the phone charge is complete. So there are good things like this is cheap, and pretty portable. The thickness is pretty good, and even the build quality is decent. But the main problem is that the placement should be correct. So if you place it and just without checking whether it's actually charging, then you might come back and see the phone has not been charged, but still it's placed on the wireless charger. So that is the only thing you have to be careful about, the placement of the phone on the charger. So pretty good device. This comes for $49, and as I said before, it's one of the cheapest wireless chargers available. So if you really want to test out wireless charging on your phone, this is one good charger to start with, because the other chargers are pretty costly, in the range of $70 to $80. So this is pretty good in this aspect. So that's all guys, thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to our videos.